GigaFest is coming to Texas. Yeah, it's Brian, it's MyTeslaWeekend, all that good stuff. Let's get on past that. Yeah, there's a bunch of events going on. Most of them are ticketed, most of them are expensive or extremely exclusive, and you can't get in. But if you're going to be there, guess what? There's a free meet and greet. I'll be there, of course. Dr. Know-It-All, Warren Redlich, whole Mars catalog, the drone guys. Yeah, Joe Tutmeyer, Randy from Terra Factory, Texas, Jeff Roberts, Brian Rashetsky. We got the whole gang showing up, and more guests that haven't confirmed just yet, in part because some of them aren't sure if they're coming. But if they do, they're going to be at this event, and we've got some others who are coming who would like us not to say that they're going to be there, so it's a big deal. And not only is it free, but there's free pizza, there's free drinks, there's free, commemorative things to hang out and check out and take home with you. It's going to be fun. So if you're going to be in Texas, in Austin, on April 7th, this is from noon to 3 at Southeast Metro Park in Del Valle. This is going to be a lot of fun. So guys, I sure hope to see you there. And if there's anybody who wants to join in on this event who didn't get an invitation from me, I apologize. That was an oversight. Get in touch with me. You can contact me on Twitter at 4K Podcast. You can go to the link below and RSVP. Yeah, there's tickets. There's free ones. There's paid ones. They're all the same. The paid ones just offer a little bit of support for the event. It's fine. You can get whichever ones you want. We just need to know how much stuff to get, how prepared to be. So I hope to see you guys there. And by the way, if you know anybody who wants to sponsor the event, it's getting kind of big. We might need that as well. So yeah, maybe that would be cool too. Again, contact me at 4K Podcast on Twitter, or anyhow you can figure out a way to do it. I'm here, man. I'm here.